Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today we're going to be making something with one of the new club kits from Spellbinders. I'm going to start things off with the clear stamp and die of the month because oh my goodness, these guys are just stinking adorable. Yeah, anyhow, I've got like 3 or 4 different ideas rolling around in my head for cards to make with these guys. I'm just going to go ahead and get started and see what I come up with. I'm going to try to limit it to just one so this isn't going to be too long of a video because it's also part of the October collaboration hop featuring Spellbinders paper arts. Club kits. This is not sponsored by Spellbinders, but one of my buddies has put together some a few hops featuring Spellbinders products. So you guys be sure to hop along, check everything out, and we are going to just have a blast. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to stamp. I've been stamping and embossing so much lately. I think that's still what I'm going to do with these guys, and they are going to be just so super cute. Oh my goodness. So I'm starting off with some VersaFine Claire Nocturne ink and stamping that right down. This is first stamping with these guys, so didn't turn out, oh my god, they're so cute. Anyway, it didn't do as good of coverage as I would like, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in again, which is one of the great things about using the Misty. And now that I've got my new waffle flower sticky mat in here, yeah, it makes it so my card doesn't move around. So now I'm going to go ahead and emboss this one. I'm using Wow Clear Embossing ink. This is clear gloss, and it's going to make it look like I've got it embossed in black because that black ink is nice and sticky. So let's go ahead and heat this up. They are just so darn cute. Look at that. So I'm going to go ahead and color these guys up with my alcohol markers. I'm using Artify art markers today, and I think I'm probably going to do multiple colors, but I'm going to start off with the red because of our little piece of candy here. I just want to add a little red to it. I'm not going to go overboard because, you know, candy cane. And I think I actually decided on a darker red than I actually wanted. But that's okay. And I think this guy, I'm going to add that dark red to his little hat. There we go. And then I'll bring in a lighter, brighter red. So that the dark kind of just makes it look a little bit rounded on his little hat. That's it. It doesn't really take a whole lot of anything to do this. So cute. Okay, I do need a little yellow, so let's go with this one. I'm just going by the colors on the ends of the caps. And adding a little bit of yellow to his feet and beak. And I'll do the same thing for my other little penguins. And I think I'm going to also, while I've got the red out, let's go ahead and do his little candy cane. I want to go with some greens. Let's do a nice bright green and use a little bit of a darker one for the shadow on his little hat. Quick and easy coloring. And I think I'm going to also go ahead and do his little ornament as the green too. And we'll let these guys just be a little bit matchy-matchy. Okay, he's also got a second ornament that is a little star. I think I want to do that one in some yellows. So I'm going to start off with this darker one for the tips. Just give it a little bit of darker there and then bring in the lighter. There we go. And I didn't get his beak. These guys are just simply adorable. Oh my goodness. I get tickled sometimes when I'm coloring. Sorry, guys. I think I'm going to also bring in this warm gray. Let me grab a scrap just to make sure what color it is. And that is a nice light warm gray. So I'm just going to add a little bit. Just a little bit around the edges for their white areas. Kind of give it a rounded look. And I'm going to bring in this colorless blender to try to pull some of that color out. Now, I would say just practice with whatever markers that you have. These I haven't practiced with nearly enough, but I have noticed that they seem to be a little bit more pigmented and not as easy to blend as, say, my Spectrum Noir. But I think it's just the way these are designed, and they do still bring out some really good color. And using this actually is bringing out and blending out that gray a little bit better too. So it does give a little bit of dimension there. I think it looks good. Okay, awesome. Okay, so our little guy down here at the bottom, he's got some fluffy white. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of color to that too. And I'm going to do the same thing with our little pom-poms. Just add a little bit of gray in there. But I'm kind of thinking I want to do his hat in red also. So this one's going to be actually red and green. I was thinking kind of doing some blue in here, but then of course I changed my mind. And just a little bit of shadow so it stays nice and bright. And then we've got our two packages down here. And since I've done just red and green for all of this, I think I'm going to stick with that. So let's do some red ribbon. Oh my goodness, these guys are adorable. And then I'm going to come in with the lighter green for the packages. Oops, I missed part of the ribbon. And there we go. Quick and easy coloring for these little guys. I think they are just stinking cute. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these guys out using my Platinum 6 And I'm holding my die cut in place so I don't accidentally cut it in the wrong spot in case anything shifts, using some of my best ever craft tape from Spellbinders. Oh, and there we go. Decided I want for the background that pretty pattern from the embossing folder of the month. This one is called Christmas Tile. So I'm going to go ahead and just run that one through my Platinum 6. And I'm running it through with that red foil cardstock. I think this is going to be so pretty. Let's see how it turns out. Ooh, that is lovely. Yeah, that is going to be so cute. Okay, now I'm ready to just start trimming a couple of things down. I do have my sentiments already stamped and embossed, and I just need to cut those out, and we're going to start assembling the card. So the card base that I'm using is slightly smaller than A2. It's 5.5, yeah, 5.5 by 4. So I cut my background down just a little bit smaller than that. So this is actually 5.25 by 3 3/4. That's going to give me that little bit of white space all the way around. Then I'm going to put some foam tape on the back of my little my little penguins. They are so cute. I'm sorry guys, I am getting too tickled over them. They are just friggin' adorable. I also have stamped out and embossed more, so I'm probably going to be, yeah, I'm going to be making at least a couple more cards using these guys for this holiday season because they're just too cute. And I got a couple of ideas, so hope you guys like them. But yeah, aren't they just adorable? Okay, now I'm going to take the release paper off the back and put them down onto my card, and I'll add my sentiment with some foam tape as well. And that is gonna finish up this card using the clear stamp and die of the month from Spellbinders. Okay, I have a feeling these guys are going to sell out, so you guys need to go ahead and order ASAP as soon as absolutely possible. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. Check out the rest of the hop to see some more inspirational videos, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.